Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry vanilla cake. This would be a wonderful Mother's Day present or just for your family one day on the weekend. So we're going to begin by roasting some strawberries. I have 1.5 pounds of strawberries that I have washed, cut off the stems, and then chop them into bite-sized pieces. Put it in a glass dish. This will prevent burning. And you're going to put it in a preheated oven at 375. I'm going to sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir it. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes until it releases all of its juices. And we're going to stir it every 10 minutes during that time. And then set it aside to cool completely. And we are going to use this as the filling between our cake layers. We need 3/4 cup of whole buttermilk, which I never buy. I simply make myself with 3/4 cup of whole milk and 3/4 tablespoon of white vinegar. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and you will see it start to separate and it is made buttermilk. Then to that I did 2/3 cup of canola oil and 4 egg whites. I'm also going to do a tablespoon of vanilla bean paste, which has such a strong vanilla flavor. You could always use vanilla extract or vanilla powder, but you get to see the flecks of the vanilla in this, which is really nice. Then we're going to whisk all of these wet ingredients together, and then we're going to whisk in our dry white cake mix, and you can use whatever kind that you like. And I have preheated my oven to 350, and I have taken 3 6-inch cake rounds that I have sprayed with baking spray with flour so my cakes never stick. Now we're gonna make a very easy and beautiful decoration for the top of our strawberry vanilla bean cake. I've taken some strawberries and made little roses out of them, and it's so easy to do. I did them all different sizes of strawberries just so it looks like a little bouquet on top of my cake. But you wanna start by just making a little slit into it, just barely push down, and you wanna push the strawberry as you cut it, so that it opens up a little bit. And then staggering your petals, you want to go down and push like that. And then when you do your bottom layer, really push those petals down so that the flower opens up. You could also put these on skewers and people could dip them into chocolate. That would be really pretty. My mom loves chocolate dipped strawberries, so I'm sure she would enjoy that greatly. Okay. I think I'll make one more slit and split it. There we go, so it opens up. And you want to keep pushing those petals out until you're happy with that look. Like that. I'll do one more.